Welcome back everyone, this is Batangas and the Indian. Every country has their own food and each place their own food. So today I'm at a restaurant and I'm going to eat some Lomi from Batangas. So I ordered the Lomi which is their special and it has so many toppings on top. I can see egg, some onion, I can see some fried garlic and maybe some sausage, and this is as per them, this is Lechon Kawali. So I will and see look at the size of the Lomi. My god, it's so huge. I don't know how I will finish it. Let me mix it. Look at this, it's so thick. You can see some egg, see the yellow noodles. Okay, so I put it in a small bowl. Let me taste the famous Lomi. Wow, it's almost like the soup is so thick and the noodles. It's just melting inside. Let me try the Lechon Kawali. I like Kawali sausage. Yeah, let me put some lemon. You know, in rainy seasons, just sit in the house, nothing to do. Just eat. That's it. So, like kanin, perfect. On a lazy day, nothing to do. Just take a bowl of Lomi and just simply eat. Let me put some chili. It's a chili paste. Let me some chili paste. Let's taste. The difference with spicy. The crushed chili, and it put more spicy. Yeah, look at this. The taste is different. It's nice, spicy. I like the spicy. Another one, their special Lechon Manok. Let me try it. Let me taste this. The manok. See, this skin is so crispy and juicy. So tender inside. Wow. A little bit sweet, not much. Yeah, beautiful. Really nice. I know why it's so special. Because it's tasty. A little bit salty too. The thing is, it's so tender inside. How they make it so tender? I think it's the way they make it. Really? They make it brilliantly. Look at this. See this? See the piece? Yeah. Look at this. The smells. Wow, awesome. Next step with the rice and this Lechon Manok. So I will add some sauce in that. Get a taste. The skin, cheek. Though I have got some liver from that, and I will try with my rice. See how it's taste. So liver and some rice. Actually, the Lomi very good with the rice also. Nice. Yep. Come back everybody. I almost done. So the food was yummy, authentic Batangas Lomi, very nice. And see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.